The depth of the water is never 11 feet. Okay, well, if we look at the table, in the table we never see a depth of 11. But if we look at our graph, if I have a depth here of 12 at some point, and I have a depth here at 10 at some point, well, it stands to reason that at some number of minutes, there's probably a depth of 11 in the middle. Now, the only way that you could not have a depth of 11 would be if you have like your river, and here's 10 feet, and then all of a sudden there's like a little drop right here, and now all of a sudden it's 12 feet. And there was never really a moment where it was 11 feet. But that's not really very likely. Most rivers are like smooth. So you have 10 feet here, 12 feet down here, and at some point the river does reach 11 feet in depth. So we're going to say depth of water is never 11 feet. Disagree. It would be somewhere in between 10 and 12 feet. And I think on the graph that would have occurred probably in between, what is this, 85, 80-ish. Let's see here. Probably in between 80 and 90 minutes. So between 80 and 90 minutes, the depth of the river is likely 11 feet at some point, unless there's a sudden drop.